या तो ये वाली ट्रेन आज हम टिकट ले जाओ, जो इसके बाद जो ट्रेन आएगी हम उसमें करेंगे। अरे अब जो ब्लू वाली ट्रेन आएगी हम उसमें बैठेंगे। यस, इसका मुंह, इसको मुंह। This is Switzerland station Bergen. So look, so this is the engine of this train. It's like the steam, and look, it's her view of train, and the wagons. It's so old, I think, cause it seem like that. Look at all the view of the station. If you want, you can see the windows here. You can see, and the markers are HB. And look where we can put so much things up for putting. And here too, and here we have a engine. That's an engine, I think. Yeah, is it an engine? If you see by there is engine. And in the train name is Ferrovia Retica. Wow, so beautiful. Look at the seats, it's just like ice train. And here we have Tirano. So this is where she's going to Tirano, I think.